Hi, Matt Forbes here again with Auto Hail HQ, located right here in Carrollton, Texas. When it comes to hail restoration, you have a lot of different options where you can get your car repaired. The two primary I'm going to talk about today, just in brief summary, are your traditional body shops and a PDR facility like us. Traditional body shops tend to bring in vehicles that are involved in accidents, maybe have suspension damage, need paint and body work. That is their niche. That's what they're good at. That's what they excel at. However, after a hailstorm, they will also bring in some hail vehicles. Typically what they'll do is they'll reach out to a professional or an expert company like us and ask us if we'd be interested in coming into their facility and doing the hail repairs for them. A lot of those body shops will actually contract out using a third party. They might be from around here, they might be from out of state, they might chase storms all over the country. At the end of the day, you're going through the body shop, but having it repaired by somebody that you don't know if they've been doing this type of work for 6 months, 6 years, or 20 years. So when you look at our facility, we only do hail repair. We're here 365 days a year. We're locally owned and veteran operated, and we specialize strictly in hail repair. That allows us to speed up the time it takes to fix your car. That allows us also to make sure that your repairs are done properly and that we're here to honor your lifetime warranty that we give with all vehicles that we repair. So you have a lot of different options. What I would tell you is this: if you are looking at your medical situation and you have a heart condition, I would probably go with a cardiologist as opposed to a foot doctor. That's the same premise that we use here at Auto Hail HQ. We are the experts, it's what we do every day, and we're here 365 days a year. So make your choice, give us a call, 469-381-7337. I'm Matt with Auto Hail HQ, where we take pride in your ride.